Our chef knife travel case bag never disappoints. Compact, light, and provides just the right amount of space for your most used culinary tools. Designed with practical use in mind, this stylish piece of a roll bag was made with 600D premium polyester to withstand years of daily use. Our knife bag is abrasion resistant, water resistant. It was built to last. With handcrafted precision and reinforced double stitching, you can safely protect your valuable knives, tools, and equipment both in and out of the kitchen. Portable, comfy, and easy to carry without the bulk, this chef knife roll bag measures 5.8 inches tall and 17.1 inches wide. It can securely carry up to 5 of your essential tools, including your knives, cleavers, honing rods, and more. It also features 2 zippered mesh pockets for your sharpening stones, ladles, and other small accessories. On top of those, you also get a 4-slotted area for additional items like plating tools, tasting spoons, and pens. Available in multiple colors, our chef knife travel case bag is a top choice for professionals and students alike. 80/60 old, and get this chef sack.